Okay, so right here we have the OnPlayerMade Script, and the OnPlayerMade Script, whenever the network calls, whenever the network instantiates a object, this function will be called, and we test in this function to see if the tag is equal to player, and then we test to see if we own this player or if this is somebody else's player. And so if we own this player, we need to set the camera's position and to equal the player's position, and then we set the camera's parent to be the player's transform, and that'll make it so that the camera follows around the player. If we are not the owner of this player, we change the color, and so that's what this line does. Then we disable the movement controller so we don't wind up moving this character also. Since it's not ours, we don't want to move it. Then we wind up disabling the mouse look script, and once again we don't want to move this player if it's not ours. Then we disable the gun controller because we don't want to click the mouse button and have it shoot for even players that aren't ours, and so we disable the gun controller if the player isn't ours. We disable the missile hit detector. Then we disable the death collider detector. And then we need to destroy physics, and to do that we destroy the constant force first since it's dependent on the rigid body, and then we destroy the rigid body. We can't destroy the rigid body first since constant force depends on it. Then we change the tag and we add remote to the name to make it so that it's easier to find in code.